So what exactly is the gynecomastia? How one simple surgery can change the perspective of not only people around you but yourself also, making you a young confident man. Are you someone who has faced embarrassment because of the fact that you had chest fat? Are you someone who is afraid to take out your t-shirt whether going to the gym or the swimming pool? Are you someone who has been bullied for the heaviness of the chest? Then this video might be helpful for you, as today we are going to talk about a very common problem which are faced by men, that is gynecomastia. The problem lies with the fact that it is not just the external things, but internally also it affects your self-confidence and self-esteem. How one simple surgery can change the perspective of not only people around you but yourself also, making you a young confident man, or in any phase of your life, whether your self-esteem is affected, it is affecting how you deal with the problems around yourself, then this video might be helpful for you. Hi, I am Dr. Anmol Chugh. I'm a cosmetic and plastic surgeon based in Gurgaon, and I'm director of Imperial Clinics, Gurgaon. Along with that, I head the plastic surgery department at Birla Hospital. And this is the gynecomastia module in which we'll discuss everything about gynecomastia, right from the consultation part to the cost part also. So do watch till the end. So what exactly is the gynecomastia? Gynecomastia, as we know, it is a problem that is faced by men. That means heaviness of the chest, especially the gland and the fat enlarges. Now it can affect any age group, and post teenage years also it is the most common age group. 1 in 3 males have been affected by this problem, especially in India, in our part of the world. Now this problem can be due to multiple causes. Causes in most of the cases idiopathic. That means there's no particular cause that we can pinpoint. But it can be genetic also, it can be hormonal issues also. So it is always best to see your plastic surgeon or a concerned physician so that you get an idea whether it is true or false gynecomastia. Now what is true and pseudo gynecomastia or false gynecomastia? Pseudo gynecomastia means it is chest fat. That means if you are on the heavier side, your BMI is high, you can gain chest fat, which you can lose by doing exercise and diet. It involves high intensity diet and training on regular basis, and then you can have some impact. But sometimes the problem of true gynecomastia is there. Now what is true gynecomastia? True gynecomastia means you have a gland that is there just beneath the nipple, and surrounding that there is a fatty region. Now outside is the skin, then there is the nipple region, beneath that is the gland, and surrounding is the fat, then there is the muscle, and then there is the rib cage. Now gynecomastia, if it is true, does not go with any diet and exercise. For this you can do an easy test at home also, which is known as pinch test. Pinch test means that you pinch the area around the nipple, and if you feel that there is some hardness compared to the say tummy fat which is smooth, then you can be sure that it is gynecomastia, which has both the fat and the gland component also, and you need to see a plastic surgeon. Now when you go to a plastic surgeon also, you should have a series of questions ready in your mind. Now as a plastic surgeon, I would like to know that how long it has been bothering you, what part of life it is affecting you, because the clarity is very important in seeking these cosmetic surgeries, as the results depend on how you feel about yourself also. It can be possible in some cases we defer the case because we think that we need to arrive on a mutual basis in which whether you are ready for the surgery or not. Now ready for the surgery means that you are in perfect health both mentally and physically, your blood parameters are fine, you are leading an active lifestyle, and you do intend to change the problem which is not going on and is bothering you for quite a long time. Now what are the options to treat gynecomastia? Most of the time patients ask us that if the non-surgical things like tamoxifen and other drugs work. Well, the answer to this is no. As soon as you start taking it and you leave it, the gland will come back, and the results are temporary. Permanent solution being a very safe surgery which is done under 1 hour in general or local anesthesia depending on the grade of gynecomastia. That means the surgery that we do, the minimal scar or the scarless approach. Now we have developed a special technique in which we do not give any cut in the nipple. Especially in the Indian skin, it can lead to long-term scarring which can be visible. We just give a small incision in the sides, that means in the armpit region, through which both liposuction and the gland removal is done, and the stitches are also dissolvable. The normal schedule of a patient who is coming to me for gynecomastia surgery is you come in the morning, then it takes around 1.5 hours for the surgical and all those times. Then you are shifted back to your room. By afternoon you can have your food. First day we give you light food and some water, and by evening you are discharged home wearing a garment. Now how does the recovery look like? In terms of recovery, gynecomastia recovery is pretty good. That means you won't feel any pain. Slight discomfort will be there for a day or two. And if you have an online work, you can work in the evening also, or maybe the next day. If you have an offline job or you have a job where you have to be around, then I would say that take a day off, and then on the second day you can join back while wearing the garment inside. Again, driving, I would say that avoid for 3-4 days. As such, there is no dietary restriction, but on the first day we say that keep it light. After that, a high protein diet, less carb diet will always help. In all this period, make sure that you are properly hydrated. Plus, the exertion part also exert as much as you feel comfortable. Do not over push yourself. In terms of the exercise, make sure that you are not putting any weight in the initial part. So the normal schedule, I would say that 7 to 10 days you can start sort of brisk walk, then 10 to 17 days light jogging, then you can increase the intensity over 1 month. If you are into strength training or heavy weights, do not touch heavy weights before 6 weeks, especially the deltoid, the pecs and the lats region, because it can put a strain on these muscles and the recovery can become slower. After that also make sure that you follow the 10% rule. That means every day you are increasing the workout by 10%. Say if you are lifting 100 kgs, make sure you are lifting 10 kgs, and within 20 days you will be able to lift your complete 100 kgs. Now the scarring part also is minimal in this kind of surgery, as we make sure the cut is in the side and the stitches are all dissolvable. So you have to come for dressing only once, or if you want to come more, you can follow up with us also. We usually call our patients on the first day after the surgery, then after 8 to 9 days after the surgery, and then at 1 month. Then we start the anti-scar cream also, so that the scar which is in the sides remains minimal. What is the cost of this surgery and what is the value that we provide? It is very important that you understand that there are many factors which are taken into account while arriving to a cost. It can range from where you're getting operated. We do operate at a particular hospital in which your safety is also paramount. Plus, we do include anesthesia charges, plastic surgeon fees, all the technologies and equipments that we use. Plus, your follow-up also is included in that. Now, these surgeries can range from $1,000 to $3,000, or roughly you can say that 80,000 rupees to 2.5 lakh rupees, depending on the grade of gynecomastia and the expertise also. Our focus in any kind of surgery is on 4 core values. First thing is maintaining your safety, that is of paramount effect, and we make sure that even if your case goes south, we have a ICU backup. Then the results. Results are made better because of the use of technologies plus the expertise and the cut that we give in the sides. Then the third most important part is the post-operative care. In the post-operative care also, we have made a certain protocol which is told to you before the surgery, during the surgery also, and after the surgery also, to make sure your results are maintained throughout life. Then the most important part is the seamless experience that you get before the surgery also, in terms of the fact that our coordinators are constantly in touch with you. At the time of the surgery also, we are in touch with your family members, or if you want to call a friend also. Plus post surgery also we exchange numbers as a plastic surgeon myself also, so that at any point of time if you have difficulty or emergency, we are readily available 24/7 so that you don't face any kind of discomfort. Now I believe there are many doubts you must have, or you want to sort out all the help regarding the gynecomastia surgery. Well, you can reach out to us and fix a consultation on different locations that we are in Gurgaon, in hospital, in our clinic, or we do online consultations also for our outstation patients or international patients. You can contact on this number or mail to us on this email ID. And if you have any questions related to gynecomastia, you can check it out on our website, that means www.gynecomastia.co.in. Plus do check out the link that we have provided of our patient's journey in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.